Welcome back to ARTis IVF. Today, we'll explore how to manage consultation notes within our system. We start on the Journey page of the patient's case file, where adjacent to the Journey section is the Notes tab. Here, under Consultation Notes, you can view existing entries made by doctors. To add a new consultation note, navigate to the top right corner and click on New Note. Select the consulting doctor from the drop-down menu. You can then enter observations, scans, and medications as needed. However, these fields are optional. For any details not covered in the provided sections, doctors can utilize the comments section to include additional notes. After entering the necessary information, click on Save to record the consultation note. Congratulations! You've successfully added consultation notes. In case if you want to edit notes, simply click on the Edit button, make your changes, and save them accordingly. Thanks for watching.